Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best Faucet website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Faucet, short links, PTC ads, achievements, all the just in one website. Okay, this website link available in description. The sign up is very easy. Just click sign up, put your email, username, password, and just solve the captcha. You can easily register in here. Just I log in my website. Okay, now I'm logging in the page and just show you how you can earn your free cryptocurrency from this website. Okay, the first way for earning is a Faucet. Okay, the first way is a Faucet. Is show me right now. Every 10 minutes you can claim your free cryptocurrency from here. Just click roll it and type this captcha and just click claim your reward. Okay, you get your reward 10 beats. Okay, now right now the next one is the visit short links. You can visit the short links, you can earn much more cryptocurrency from here. If you visit all short links, you can earn 1,400 satoshi from here. Okay, the next one is the PTC ads. You can watch PTC ads, you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Just watch it for 5 seconds and you can earn very easily. Okay, just I click one of this and solve the captcha. It's very easy. Just wait for 5 seconds and solve the captcha. Okay, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency just watching all of these. The next one is investment. Just don't invest anything to any game. The next one is achievements. You earn much more achievements from here. Okay, the Faucet, the short links, the referral, you can earn much more cryptocurrency just for achievements. Okay, and the next step is referral. Okay, you can easily earn from referral as just the commission of the offer walls of commission of the short links. Okay, not anyone. Okay, and this is a pay you 20% of the referral commission. Okay, inactive this much days. Okay, and 4 months is automatically deleted your referral. Okay, this is the rules. The contest is another way you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Just participate in the contest. If you have YouTube channel or anything, you can participate in the contest. Okay, this person have 2 referral and the first contest available in here. Okay, this is not qualified because this will be take this much days. After this much days, this will be qualified. Okay, and the contest winner is making much more. The offer walls and lottery tickets, you can buy a lottery ticket. This much tickets right now is buying, and available time is this much days. Okay, just wait after nearing of this day, you will be buy much more, like this much ticket, or any much ticket you want. You can buy it and maybe you are winner or loser. Okay, that depends on luck. Okay, every month, the monthly remaining. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. If I reach in the minimum amount, I will be share with you the withdrawal proof. All my videos is a free website, free ways to earn from this websites, and free cryptocurrency you can earn from the websites. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.